Well, when taking on the biggest battle of your life, you need a lot of support. And the Vegas Golden Knights showed their support to locals battling cancer this morning. The Golden Knights, along with Chance, paying a visit to patients at comprehensive cancer centers, taking photos and handing out battle cards with messages of strength and encouragement. Patients tell us that days like today make a huge difference in their battles. And we asked one fighter to read the card that she received from the Golden Knights.
This one says, to anyone and everyone fighting with any cause of cancer, we're all with you and supporting your fight. You're all tremendous warriors and true heroes, and keep strong.
Certainly we can give the medicine, but it's also good to boost their spirits, I think. And I think that's the most important thing we have to remember. It's mind, body, and soul.
So true. And this practice has joined forces with the Knights for its annual Hockey Fights Cancer initiative, leading up to Hockey Fights Cancer Night, where the cards that were passed out today were written by Knights fans. Well,